guys, welcome back to my channel. As you could tell by the looks of this video, your girl is finally doing a 4th of July look. If I sound a little bit crazy, I do apologize, but I am suffering from a toothache right now that needs to be pulled, and I haven't gotten it done yet. So if I sound a little muffled, I do apologize. But you guys, I'm going to be doing the eyebrows, the eyes, and my lips in 4th of July inspired look. You guys, let me know what y'all doing for 4th of July. I know it falls on a weekday, but let me know your plans down below in the comments. I think I will either be spending time with family or just sticking it out at home. I don't know yet. My tooth has been killing me, so I don't know. So as you guys can see, I've been using the Burst of Colors palette and the Sephora Pro palette. Now that is the only two palettes you guys will see me working out of, and even though this look is like absolutely totally different for your girl, I think it actually came out pretty good. It was pretty good to be my first try of a 4th of July look. So I wanted to show you guys how I actually did my eyebrows, and then we're gonna move on into the eye look. As you can tell from the other eye, we kind of went ham and went as bold as possible. Every color I use, you guys, this is nothing new. I like to pack the color on versus blending the color on. I like to pack it so I can get as much of a pigmentation as I can. I hope I'm saying it right, but this look actually came out really simple and easy. It wasn't too complicated for me to do. The only trick to this eye look is that I basically did a double cut crease. You guys will see that as you're watching the video. I kind of did a double cut crease, like you guys will see, y'all see. Now for some reason, every time I do one eye off camera and then try to do the other eye on camera, they both come out totally freaking different. Like it's either a different shape or a different design or something like that, and it never fails, but here's another different shape kind of eye. Right here I did double cut crease this, and I went back in with that red color, and this eye came out bigger than the other eye, and I did try to fix it off camera, but you guys can see the difference, and you will see the difference, but at the end you really can't tell the difference. Okay, you guys, I have to explain this really quick. I am using actual crafting paint. I'm not telling nobody to use it, but that's what I use in this video. That holographic crafting paint is a paint that I got out of Walmart, and I always use it on my eye, but I'm not, telling nobody to use it. If you do, be very careful with it. But I do like it because of the holographic look that it gave to this eye look, which gave it that little extra oomph to the look. And I am using my Watch Me Sparkle glitter to, my chunky glitter to put it on the outer portion of my eye. I thought it came out really, really bomb. And you guys know I always use my Shop Hip Dot, I think they're called, glitter liners. This is the silver one. I always use it in a lot of my looks. I have like 10 different colors, and I just trace the glitter liner over the holographic to give it even more of a sparkle. As you can tell, it looks really freaking good on the eye. So once I do my wing liner, that's when I notice like, okay, the red portion is a little longer than the other red side. And I did try to go in and fix it, but I didn't show it on camera. But you guys are going to be able to tell. But I think I did pretty good for it to be my first time trying it. I can't lie. I did pretty good. You could tell right there. Right there tells you I did a little something and I messed it up. Yeah, I messed it up. So those two foundations, you guys, I decided to use. One is a project pan and the other one is something very freaking new, and you guys will be seeing the review on the Maybelline Urban Coverage Foundation next week. Be on the lookout for it because I did do a full review on it, but I wanted to mix them because I am trying to get done with the L'Oreal Infallible, and I actually been testing out the new Maybelline foundation. I didn't show too much of my face routine because I feel like I always do it in my videos, but let me know if you guys would like for me to continue to include them in my videos. But I feel like I do them a lot that you guys should know. The only thing that's really different is the L'Oreal pressed powder that I'm using underneath my eyes to set my highlight with. I've been using that a lot lately, so that's not the only thing different in my face routine. But let me know if you guys want me to continue putting my face routine into my videos. I could do that for you guys. Look at my honeybee. He just had to get in the video. I really should have went in with a silver highlight just to amp up the look, but I didn't think about it until now. But the matte gold deposit will work in the meantime as well. But if you have a silver highlighter, then go with the silver highlighter just to spruce it up a little bit. So I am going to use my NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick and my fake ass Lime Crime liquid lipstick to do a red, white, and blue ombre lip. And I am going to top it off with a little bit of glitter in the middle just so that it could amp up the lips a little bit. And then we're basically done. I guess I'll let you guys watch the rest of it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell.